The following exercise is called the Pyramid of Power. This pyramid is your personal, sacred place where you can receive healing, nurturance, divine solutions, and an enhanced ability to create what you desire. You can use this exercise as a meditation and/or as you're drifting off to sleep. Close your eyes and envision a pyramid of light. This pyramid of light resides in the spiritual, energetic realm and carries the most intense healing and creative vibration. There is a capstone on your pyramid, and it contains a spiraling rainbow ray of light. This rainbow contains all the colors, virtues, and attributes of our Father, Mother, God, or what you may refer to as Source Energy. Imagine yourself moving into the interior of your pyramid. Take a moment to look around and notice that the walls and floors radiate a brilliant, healing inner light. The brightest, most loving light you've ever seen. In this pyramid, there are 12 crystal chairs in a circle. There is also a crystal table in the center, and when you lie on it, it conforms perfectly to your body. There is a magnificent clear quartz crystal hanging over the center of this table. The crystal is faceted at both ends, and the upper portion penetrates the capstone of the pyramid. This is the basic structure of your pyramid. However, you have the ability to add your own personal touches as you visit your sacred temple and make it your own. If there is a conflict with someone in your life, be seated in one of the crystal chairs and envision the person sitting across the room from you with the crystal table in the center. Ask the higher self of this person to join you. You may wish to have a dialogue with this person, but it is very important to place your ego in passive mode first and speak from the heart, with your soul as the director. Objectively state your case and then place the situation on the crystal table and ask for a divine solution, and the highest outcome that serves you both. Envision a violet flame blazing from beneath the table and surrounding the situation. This is a flame of transmutation, and it balances and harmonizes the energies within the thought forms and situation. Now, see the great crystal that is hanging over the crystal table begin to glow. Watch as streams of golden light flow from it, similar to lightning that you would see in the skies during a thunderstorm. First, these streams of light focus on the crystal table and the situation that you have presented. Now, see them spread out to each of you and eventually fill the room. You have tapped into the energy of the divine source, and you, the other person, and the situation will be charged with energy of the higher power. Form an intention to relinquish the outcome to the wisdom of this higher power. Completely let go of what the outcome might be and trust that it will be of the highest order. If you wish to focus on your physical body and illness or imbalanced situation, place yourself on the crystal table. Feel how comfortable it is as you sink into it. State your desire, which may be specific or you may request a general tune-up. Ask your higher self or I Am presence to be your cosmic facilitator and oversee the process. See the violet flames blaze up and surround you. Now, see the beams of light that are activated from the crystal above and watch as they surround you and fill the room. Stay there for as long as you feel you need to. This process will greatly enhance and speed up releasing any residual impacted negative energies within your physical structure. Spend time within your pyramid of power when you have a decision to make, and to solidify and energize your visions and aspirations. Here, you may use the universal laws of manifestation in their most dynamic form as you become a proficient master of creation. Spend time clarifying your vision of the future in all areas: spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical. Set your intention here and feel the energy that you're able to add to anything you choose to create for yourself. If there is a group situation, say within the family or the workplace, see everyone involved seated in the crystal chairs and place the situation in the center of the crystal table. Ask each person's higher self to stand behind them, overseeing the process. Ask for the highest outcome for all in the form of a divine solution. Spend as much time as necessary focused on the energy of the situation as you see the violet flame magically neutralize it, and the light of the spirit transform it into its highest form. This pyramid of power is your sacred place. You may go there anytime you wish. At times, you may want to be there by yourself. At other times, you may expand it to any size you need to heal or add light energy to any situation desired. By accessing the pyramid of power, you are bypassing any negative, conflicting energies that are present in physical reality. This allows you to regain the ability to function within the higher spiritual planes where only perfection is possible. You are a being of light that is perfectly capable of accessing your source, energetic self anytime you wish. In doing so, you reclaim the many wondrous facets of who you truly are and enhance your life and the lives of others.